Alright, boys and girls, today we are going to start out our second step lesson with a brain builder, and we are going to play step or stay. So I need everybody to move to the outside part of the rug.
I can just sit down and I'll be like,
Make sure you have space so that you can jump back and forth. If you're squished, there's room by Audrey and Danielle. Okay, so everyone should be off the rug, toes behind the rug. This is the bank of the river. And then the dark blue border on the rug, that is the river. So if I say in the river, you're going to jump onto the dark blue part of the rug. And if I say on the bank, you're going to jump right off the rug onto the regular carpet. Okay? You guys ready to try this?
yeah.
Okay. In the river. On the bank. On the bank. In the river. On the bank. In the river. In the river. On the bank. On the bank. In the river. In the river. In the river. In the river. On the bank. On the bank. In the river. On the bank. In the river. On the bank. On the bank.
I knew you were going to.
All right, good job. You guys can come back to your carpet spots, please.